Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. I'm trying to help a friend of mine. This is the same deal we had the other day with the picture. But he can't get this radius. Well, once you created this non-rectangle, you can't change the radius. And I'm hoping, and also you're drawing in CMYK. So double click on that, go to graphic, change this to RGB, please, and change it to red, and change it to hairline. You'll be a lot better because you can always change things. Now, this is what he's using. I thought he was using a CNC router. He's making a template with his laser for his router. And for this is upside down. This is a 1/4 inch bit with a 5/16 inch bushing. So there's 1/16 of an inch bigger. So really 1/32 of an inch on each side. But it's 1/16 inch bigger. And I'm not even going to take that in consideration on my drawing, but you do, John. So let's say this measurement is right. He's just having trouble getting this arch or this radius. Well, once you've turned it into a non-rectangle, you can't do the radius. So let's figure out how big this thing is. Parallel dimension tool, and go and it'll snap to those nodes, and it's 1.17 inches. Take you a rectangle and make this 1.17. Let's go ahead and get rid of our measurements. And if you have snap to object on, and you do, you could grab that corner and have it snap right to that. Now with this two-sided arrow, you can get it to snap right to that. Now with this ratio unlocked, let's just type in 0.55. You know, I think he actually said 0.6. There's your new radius. And it's kind of hard to tell which one's even which. Let's change our nudge factor on, and also you need to set this on 0, 0. That's a pet peeve of mine. Let's set this on like 2 inches, and let's move our rectangle out of the way. So he didn't have the thing connected. So there's our new radius. And if you look, our box is 1.77 inches. Now all you have to do is take your virtual segment delete key and delete that line. Or you don't even have to delete that line if you do it this way with the Smart Fill tool. You fill that in, move this out of the way, left click, right click, and there's your pattern. And I truly hope that works. And now that I know it's your laser, you can very easily cut that out and do you a test. And not only that, you can do your router test too. So, you know, if you need to make this a 1/16 of an inch bigger, that's all you need to do, is just make that a 1/16 of an inch bigger. Anyway, so there's a better radius. Hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.